Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3, sis. So I'm just doing my motherly duties, you know, dropping my kid off to school. And I'm gonna head over to Target. I don't know what time Best Buy, or not Best Buy, I don't know why I always call it Best Buy. I don't know what time. Let me sit y'all up here since I'm at a red light. I don't know what time Big Lots open, which I need to, let me check and see. And we can go to Big Lots because I have to get a topper for my Christmas tree. It's kind of like driving me crazy. And I low-key want to stop to Starbucks and get me a coffee, but y'all know that Maxwell House latte that I showed y'all is so freaking good, y'all. Like, y'all have to try it if y'all like lattes. Y'all know for the longest time I've been trying to create that perfect coffee at home, and I think I found it with that Maxwell House. It's really good. So I bought another one the other day, so I think I'm gonna have one of those when I get home. But I also want to go to the gym. I did not go to the gym at all last week. I'm not doing a mukbang today, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym for probably like 30-45 minutes, something like that, just to, you know, get that workout in. I can wear what I have on because I just have on like my little Adidas hoodie. It is 40 degrees outside. I'm loving this weather, and I have on my gym tights and my workout shoes. So I can like just go to the gym as soon as I come from the store. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And then I don't really have anything planned today, y'all. I'm just chilling around the house per usual. It's a Tuesday, so you know, it's not that much cracking. Everybody at work. So yeah, I'm gonna walk around Target, see what they have, and then I'm gonna go to, it's 8:30 right now, so I'll be in Target for a good 30 minutes, and hopefully Big Lots is open by that time, and I can go over there, try to see if I can find something for my tree. I got my hair pulled back in a little ponytail this morning, but yeah, so that's what we're doing today, y'all. We're just gonna chill, you know, mellow out. I started to do a morning routine, like a pamper routine today, but because I'm going to the gym and all that stuff, and I want to go to these stores, it kind of threw me off a little bit. So maybe we'll do that tomorrow. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want me to do that. And yeah, oh, I have to show y'all, hopefully I don't forget, I have to show y'all my new face steamer that I bought. I picked it up from Amazon. I haven't tried it yet. I wanted to try it with y'all. I told Tony that it was that it was a coochie steamer. Y'all, they have like this little puppy store over here, and every time I pull up over here, I want to go to that puppy store. I mean, obviously it's not open at 8:30 in the morning, but the only reason why I don't go in the puppy store is because, oh, Dollar Tree's open. Man, we should go on Dollar Tree first. Just let me turn y'all around. Wait, I'm turning the car around first. We should go in the Dollar Tree first because last year my little sticks that I had in my tree, I found them at the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go in here first. Okay. So they have these. It's not enough. These are really cute, but they don't have like the plain sticks. These are cute. Here's a gold star. I might be able to use this and add something else to it. So I think I'm gonna get this one. Okay, so we're walking in Target now. The parking lot is full. Alright y'all, so I'm leaving out of Target. I didn't really find anything that I could use in there. So we're gonna go to Michael's and then we're gonna go to Big Lots. And then we're gonna go home. Y'all, I didn't tell y'all like how proud of myself I was yesterday with me. Like, I'm telling you, I did not get any sleep the night before, and when I woke up I was just like, oh man, because I never start my day off that late, and I'm like, I'm messing up on the second day of Vlogmas already. Like, I'm not gonna get this vlog out. There's no way that I can get this stuff done, and I was able to get it done. I was able to get my intro done and get 2 videos out. So I was so proud of myself. So I just had to share that with y'all because I was so proud of myself last night. I fixed myself a little cocktail after I got everything done. I was just so happy. So I'm like, yes. So don't give up on yourself, sis. Push, okay? Push. So I'm not gonna show too much in here because I showed y'all mostly everything on the last vlog that I did in here, but they have the cutest stuff. I'm telling y'all need to come. I'm back home. So y'all, I've been back and forth. I bought some stuff from Michael's and I ended up taking that stuff back because I bought this bow from, can y'all see that? I bought this bow from Big Lots. I thought it was pretty, so hopefully it'll look good on my tree. I also bought a few things from the Dollar Tree, and I took that stuff. Well, you can't get a cash refund from the Dollar Tree. You have to do an exchange. So I just bought like some of these cute little glasses. I thought these would be cute for like some hot cocoa and stuff, so I bought a set. You can always find cute glasses in the Dollar Tree, y'all. I got a lot of glasses that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I just bought this little set. Really cute. Have some pretty little hot chocolate drinks with my brother. And then I bought this. They make the hurricanes and stuff in, like if you go somewhere to have drinks. So the one that I have is a little smaller than this one. I like this. And then I gotta show y'all this. So at Big Lots, look. So I did pick up the cocktail mixers. So they have strawberry daiquiri, cotton candy, and apple martini. So I wanted to try those. And then I picked up some of these little mini sparkling apple pears. It's not alcohol in this. So I thought this would be cute because y'all know I make my cute little drinks on my MUKBANG channel. So I bought 2 of those. This one is sparkling white grape, which is my favorite. Then I picked up some chocolate shot glasses. So I thought that was cute. This was $4. The sparkling wines were $1. And the cocktail mixers were $5, and then the bowl was $5. And I just picked up one of these Garnier Moisture Bomb sheet masks. I've never tried this one before, so I wanted to try it because y'all know I am addicted to sheet masks. I really don't need anymore. And I just picked up some makeup removers. We're gonna go ahead and see how the bow looks on the tree. So I'm gonna sit y'all, where am I sit y'all? I'll sit y'all right here and point the camera up. I know this is a terrible angle, y'all. I'm sorry. All right, let's see. What y'all think? Y'all think they look cute? I can't really tell. Let me sit it up here and stand back. Let me see. I don't know if I like it. It's a little too big. I don't know if I like that, y'all. I probably should have went with the smaller one. Cause that's big. But if I don't go with the bow, I can just tie it like on my door or something like that. I can still use it, but I'm not too sure how I feel about it on the tree. Let's see how it looks with the tree lit. All right, y'all, I like it. I think it looks cute. It looks very girly, but it's cute. I like it. Did I just break this glass? Yeah, so this is the coffee that I've been loving. It's the Maxwell House Vanilla Caramel Latte, and it's so good. So I'm going to make one right now, and I'm going to use my new glass that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So just wait for my water to get hot. So the only thing we have to do is just scoop out. It's saying 2 scoops, but I always do 3. So I'm gonna do 3 scoops. Then you add your water. And then you mix. I hope y'all can see this, because y'all know it's so dark in this little corner over here. I love that foam at the top. I love it. I'm going to do some whipped cream. If I can get it out. And there we go. But I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my latte, edit this vlog. That's so cute. Ooh.